How to delete account on booking.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to delete your booking.com account. So deleting your booking.com account is simple. You have to start by opening your web browser, or you can also launch the booking.com application on your mobile device. Sign into the account you want to delete, and once you're on the homepage, click on My Account option that is in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Now from the settings page, scroll down and under the Manage Account option, click on Security Settings. Click on it. At the bottom, you will find the option to delete your booking.com account. Click on Delete Account button that is highlighted in red color, and you will be asked why you want to delete your account. You can choose any of the reasons, or you can also select others. And after selecting a reason, click on Delete Account that is highlighted in blue color in the bottom of the screen. And after this, you'll receive a request confirmation in your inbox. Check your email for the message titled as Request to Close Your Account, and then click on it. Finally, confirm your decision by clicking on Delete Account. So once you've completed these steps, your booking.com account will be successfully deleted. So thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.